How to find USA groups on Facebook. Make sure you've got the latest version of the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the Facebook icon to open the app. You'll see a search bar at the top of the screen where you can type stuff. Type USA groups into that search bar and hit enter. After you search, you'll see some options. Tap on groups to see just groups related to the USA. If you're looking for groups in a specific city, tap on filter, tap city and type in the city name, like Orlando. Once you've typed the city name, tap on the suggestion that pops up. If you want to see only groups that are public, check the box that says public groups. Tap on show results to see all the USA groups that match your search. Now you'll see a bunch of groups. Scroll through them to see which ones catch your eye. If you find a group you like, tap on it to see more details. If you want to join, just tap the join button. Repeat these steps to check out more groups if you want. Once you've found some cool groups, you're all set. You've successfully found USA groups on Facebook. And there you have it. That's how you can easily find USA groups on Facebook. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Also, be sure to click on the notification bell to stay updated on future uploads. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy networking on Facebook.